Hello guys, welcome to our new class. Today we will learn to tell about ourselves or simply myself or my introduction. And this is the part 1. Before starting the class, I want to tell you something. These classes are made only for the purpose of Hindi speaking. So first I am gonna read a sentence in English and then I will translate it into Hindi. And whenever I speak in Hindi, you have to repeat after me, okay? I have also written these sentences in Hindi writing and each word and its explanation in Hindi. You guys must take a look and make notes if possible. It will help you later. Okay guys, it's time to start the class. My introduction. मेरा परिचय. मेरा परिचय. Sentence number 1. My name is Shivani Mewati. मेरा नाम शिवानी मेवाती है. मेरा नाम शिवानी मेवाती है. You guys have to use your name here. Note. Friends, like there is a full stop in English, similarly there is a full stop in Hindi and we call it Purna Viram. Purna Viram, and its symbol is like this. Sentence number 2. I live in India. मैं इंडिया में रहती हूँ. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ. Note. One thing is to be noted here is that रहती or रहता is used here as a verb and we often use sound E in the end of a verb for female speaker and sound A for male speaker. So, if you are a female, use रहती, and if you are a male, use रहता. Once again, speak after me. मैं इंडिया में रहती हूँ. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ. Sentence number 3. I love singing. मुझे गाना पसंद है. मुझे गाना पसंद है. Here I am telling about my hobby, but I will make a separate video about hobbies because everyone's hobbies is different. But now you can use your hobby here in English also because it is so common to use English words in Hindi language like मुझे shopping पसंद है. मुझे travel पसंद है. Sentence number 4. I love to eat pizza. मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद है. मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद है. Sentence number 5. My height is 5.4 inch. मेरा कद 5 फुट 4 इंच है. मेरा कद 5 फुट 4 इंच है. Guys, here 5 means 5 and 4 means 4. Don't worry, later I will make a video on counting in Hindi. So friends, this is the revision part of our today's class. Whenever I speak in Hindi, repeat after me to or 3 times. मेरा नाम शिवानी मेवाती है. मैं इंडिया में रहती हूँ. मैं इंडिया में रहता हूँ. मुझे गाना पसंद है. मुझे पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद है. मेरा कद 5 फुट 4 इंच है. So guys, this was today's video. I hope I have been able to explain you very well. If you have any queries, ask me in the comment section or message me on my Instagram. Thanks for being with me here. I hope that in this journey of learning Hindi, you will stay with me. And make sure to subscribe, like and share because I need your support. So see you in the next class. Bye bye and take care.